Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on Insta360 X5. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen. Then go to the right and go to the right again. Now you'll find Bluetooth. You can enable it. You can just simply go here and then connect either Bluetooth remote, if you have a Bluetooth remote, by going here. Then it'll start searching for it. Or you can go to Bluetooth headset or microphone. I think I have some Bluetooth earphones, so I'm gonna try to connect them. Okay, I have them now. And I'm gonna put them in pairing mode. These ones are put in pairing mode by just taking them out of the case, but different headphones have different options. Sometimes you need to press and hold on the button on the case, whatever. Let's start searching for Bluetooth devices. I don't know if it's correctly because this one isn't blinking. Gonna try to do that again. Gonna retry. Yeah, I don't really know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try bringing different headphones. Okay, this one's on the other hand. I don't know if they are already connected. Let's press and hold on the button on the case. Yeah, I think that when blue's blinking, they are in pairing mode. Let's see if it discovers them. Yeah, they are here. And now they are connected, so I can use it. I can enable dual track audio. I can use them as microphone as well as just headphones, so I could probably just listen to the playback of videos that I've recorded. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.